Hi everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna do divisibility
rules by 2.
Mental
Math.
Practice
Mind
questions.
math, basically.
Yeah, so more practice, more better.
Divisibility rules.
Yeah, let's see.
Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it's 8.
So they are.
But no 9. No 1,
Yeah.
3, 5, 7, 9.
So if 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 are at the end, it will be divisible by number 2. If not, then it's gonna be, of course, there is a remainder, which is 1, right? Or 0. Okay, let's see some examples. So 144 divided by 2. What will be the remainder, Lina, there? And why do you think so?
It's because 4 is
and 4, which is
4
divided
is
by
4 is an even number.
That's why it's gonna divisible
See, it says
by
4.
2, and the remainder gonna be 0. Okay, let's see some more examples.
The remainder is 0.
So what do you think? 9, 4, 6, 1, 2, 2. What is the remainder when you divide 9?
9, 4, 6, 1, 2, 2.
By 2. What do you think?
It's
what
0.
will be the remainder?
Remainder will
Again,
be
0.
0.
Do you wanna do the example and let's see? Can you give some?
Just a number is divisible by 2. Oh wait, we already read that.
So can you please try to divide by 2 that big number?
Yep, I
let's
can.
See, Lina, remember the.
Okay, so first you have to go to all 9 or almost 9.
Okay.
So first I can do 9, so I put
Why
in
you
8.
put 8 there? It will be down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Got
See?
8.
How you get 8?
Because if I do 9, 2 times 9, I mean, if I do 2 times, like I can't get 9 during.
So 2 times 4 is 8. If you go 2 times 5,
yeah,
it will be 10.
Yeah.
Right?
It's because 9 is like one of those odd numbers, and it goes. And if I do 2 times 9,
it has to be lower than 9. Yeah.
Yeah, it has to be 9 or almost 9.
Or down. Okay, so how you got 8 there? So you have to put 4 up.
Yeah. So now we have to minus this.
Can you please put 4 up?
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
So this will be 1. And then I put a 4.
Yeah.
Here.
So now
From
you see the table. Which table will come?
Now which table?
Yeah.
It could still be 2. Table 2.
Table 2, but which number? 2 times?
I think it's 7.
7, yeah. So 2 times 7 is 14, which is exact number.
14.
Yeah. So 0, remainder, and then now you get in 6, right?
From here.
So now, which table? I mean, 2 times what will be 6. Lower than 6 or
almost 6?
Almost same number.
So the answer is 3.
Yeah.
Because 2 times 3 is 6.
Okay.
3.
So 3 will go there, and then you divide here. So
yeah, I divide right here.
Can you do the process?
So then 6 here, then minus. This will be 0, and then 1.
So now 1. This is tricky part. So does 1 come in the table? Yeah.
No.
0 times 2.
Yeah. So we have to put 0 up here actually. And then I'm just going to continue. I'm going to do this one more time and then continue it here because I don't have space.
So since 1 is lower than 2, you have to borrow from another one right now?
Yeah, so 2 times 0 is, so I have to put 0 here. Minus 1. I'm going to continue here. I'm just going to put
now
1.
Now you take 2, yeah.
I'm just going to do the 1 there.
continuing there.
Yeah, I'm just writing that down.
So 0 times 0 is 0, and then 1 there, remainder, and now 12.
Now it's 12, and that
will
will be 6.
Right?
And then 12 minus 0. And then the last 2
will be
1.
Yeah. So 2 times 1
And then
is,
you just do 2 times 1, which is 2. Then you minus it, and then 0. So
remainder
then this is your answer, but then this 0 is your remainder.
Write it down here, so you will be remember that. Let's see if you're right. Okay. So 47306 1. Okay. Let's see if Lina is right or not.
Remainder
This is
0.
which is right, and 473061. Right.
Yeah.
Good job, Lina. You can divide that big number. Congratulations. So what is the remainder when you divide 27439 by 2? What do you think?
Let's see.
See the 9? No. See the 9 is
Yeah.
odd
So
number.
remainder will be 1. Let's see if it's right.
Yeah, you don't have to see the demo. Just give it. Yeah, it's already done. Lina,
Oh,
you
yeah.
can-
There it is.
Yep,
Remainder
so
is
it
1. That's the answer. But remainder
Yeah, you
is
can
1.
practice by yourself by doing
Yeah.
that division. Okay.
If you're in grade 4.
Or grade 3. It doesn't matter.
Yeah,
Lina,
doesn't
sometimes
matter.
people are so
I learned
multitasking.
multiplication in grade 1
Yeah.
instead of grade 3.
Okay, good.
But
Next.
like I learned at home, which I am at home.
Okay, so what's the next rules? When dividing any integer by 2, what are the only possible reminders?
I know the sun.
What will be? A 0 and 1, B 0 and 2, C 1 and 3, and
First one is correct.
And-
Second one is not correct. Third one is incorrect.
okay.
Fourth one is incorrect, so it's A.
Let's see. Find out the answer.
Correct answer is 0 and 1, which is A.
Yeah.
No other remainders are possible when dividing by 2.
So
And you can
when
read this.
any integers is divided by 2, the remainder can only be 0 if the number is even, or 1 if the number is odd. So if it's an even number, then its remainder will be 0, and if it's odd number, remainder will be 1. What is the remainder when 7842 is divided by 2? What will be? Because see the last number, Lina.
The answer is 0, which is A.
Because the 2 is even number.
So correct answer A, which is 0.
Yeah.
And we already read
So it's
that.
called mental math. You don't have to divide everything.
Yeah,
Just see the
it's
last
basically a mind math. You do it in your mind.
number. Okay, more. Let's see the more. Which of the following numbers will have remainder of 1 when divided by 2? Now this is tricky. So A will be not right because it's 0. B will be 0 again. Why? Because this is even number. And number C, maybe because that's an odd number. And D, 0. So the answer is, Lina?
C.
Yeah. There you go. And
That's
all. Yeah. So hope you learned something new today, and then keep practicing math.
Yeah.
And
Now
then
I
will show
have
you-
my surprises, my 5 surprises, like 5 below it. Okay. There's a lot over here. I need to come close. Okay, so this is the first one. It's a little starfish. Hello, it's a pencil top. And then I have a little car. It's also a pencil top. They have holes in the bottom. Just a hole. And then I also have this cookie.
Yeah.
It also has a hole. Oops. And then I also have this bag, pink bag, which also has a hole. So they're all pencil tops. But then here is the last one. Boom, boom. What is it? Is it a slinky? Yes, it is.
Okay.
Here it
Show
is.
and tell is over now.
Yep.
Hope to see you guys next time.
Bye.